Hi guys, today we are going to solve LeetCode question number 1290, which is convert binary number in a linked list to integer. Here the description here says that given head, which is a reference node to a singly linked list, the value of each node in the linked list is either 0 or 1. The linked list holds the binary representation of a number. Return the decimal value of the number in the linked list. The most significant bit is at the head of the linked list. Okay, so here we can see that there is one linked list given in example number 1 containing the digits 101. Okay, so the input is given as head equal to 101. So we can see that the decimal number of 101 is 5, so we will return 5 as the output. Now let's move to the solution approach. For the solution approach, we will move to each head value and then we will multiply the head value and we will multiply the answer value by 2 and then we will add the head dot val value. Here the answer into 2 shifts the current binary number left by 1 bit and head dot val value adds the new bit, which is either 0 or 1, to the main answer. We will iterate a for loop and then we can add all these steps in it and get the final answer and then return it. The time complexity of this approach is big O of n as we are iterating through each number of nodes in the linked list, and the space complexity is big O of 1 as we are not using any other data structures for evaluating the sum or the equivalent decimal number. So for the code, we will first initialize the value of answer equal to 0 and then we will iterate through the loop and we will check the condition while head is not equal to null, and we will increment the value of head as head dot next, and then inside the loop we will evaluate the value of answer, which is answer equals to, we will multiply the variable answer by 2 and then we will add the value of head dot val in it so that we can calculate the equivalent binary number and then we will return answer. Now we will run this code and it passed all the test cases. Now we will submit it. And it meets 100% solution. So if you have any query, you can either comment on this video below or connect with me on LinkedIn. Thank you.